go, Ty. Come on, yes.
That's going to be White Lightning in behind him now. We got two guys wearing grays out there. I'm going to say that might be Regan Heathing is sitting second in behind him. That's going to be Manithany and the Whitefish Warriors. What happened to the Whitefish Warriors, by golly? They're in there. Man, oh man, I didn't expect that from that team right there. Boy, oh boy, but boy, a little bit of complacency can even get to the very best. Oh, they come off their horse. Whitefish Warriors having a little trouble in the infield. We're going to have a loose horse, boys. Here they come. Around the turf to the port we go. That is going to be White Lightning. Boy, oh boy. We got that loose horse. They got him caught up down there. Ladies and gentlemen, heads up on the infield. Here they come for the first exchange. On the front end, that is going to be White Lightning looking for a fast exchange on the front side. Here comes Manithany and Regan Heathen. That is going to be the Regan Heathen.
Go! Go! Yes, go!
Going on over that box number 3 right now. That is going to be, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be 1, 2, 3. Goes on over there. That will be Regan Heathen. Manithany. Oh, they get going. Manithany's on and gone. We got 3 outfits on the team, 3 teams on the track, by golly. Oh, we're going to go down to the top of the back of the auction backstretch. All alone now. This is a brand new team to the Indian Relay Racing scene, and they are making noise in a big way. This is going to be White Lightning, Tyrone Jackson from Mr. Awasis, all alone on the front side. We're going to go back about 60 TP poles. We're going to pick up Whitefish Warriors, Manithany on the backside. As we round the third, we're already going around the fourth on the front side down there. This is going to be White Lightning, Tyrone Jackson, Mr. Awasis, proud, beautiful, swift representation on the front end here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, watch the exchange. He's going to come on in. This is how you get to be a legend. This is how you get to be on the...
Go! Go, Ty! Go! Woohoo!
You guys got it dialed in. Look out.
Yes.
Look out, World Championships. We're coming for you. Man, oh man, here they go down here for a change. That's going to be Regan Heathen gets on first. Regan Heathen trying to jump out. Horse jumps way down there. Oh man, that'll be extreme relay. Man, an extreme way to get on and off. Boy, but on the front end, that is going to be. That will be Regan Heathen, and man, oh man, Manithany is coming straight. Holy moly. Ladies and gentlemen, by golly, that was holy moly. That warrior got thrown right against the fence down there. Look out. And that horse is loose, so look out. Oh, this is an extreme sport that happens all over this.